guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe and let me know if there's other songs that you want to learn in the comments. This is a song that was requested and I'm more than happy to oblige. So let's get into it. So this song is This is Like or Like by Miniature Tigers. And this is a great song. It's also a very easy song to play. Although the chords are a little bit different than some of the regular chords, but they're still not that hard. So, but there is like 6 chords in the song or something. So stick with me through it because I'm going to show you what the chords are. I'm actually going to show you how to play these because some of them are just a little bit different. They're easy though. And I'm going to show you where you play them, the strumming patterns and everything. So stick with me at least until the chorus because after that it's actually all pretty simple. It's all the same, I should say. So the chords you're going to use, you're going to do D. You should know how to play D, but if you don't, so you put your pointer finger 2nd fret on the G string, okay, and then you put your middle finger on the, and you can do whatever fingers you want, but this is how I see everyone play it. Your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and then your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. And I mute the top one. So for this chord, you're actually just going to play the bottom 3 strings, okay? Just the ones that you're holding down. Okay, you're also going to play D major 7. So that on that, you're just going to, those same 3 strings, the G, B, and little E, you're just going to hold those down on the 2nd fret. You're already starting to hear it, I think. All right, and then next you're going to do D7. So you're going to do like this. So you're going to do middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string, and then your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and you just do those same 3 strings again. Okay, so you can already hear it, all right? And then next you're going to do G. I think this G sounds better, and you could even just do from the D or just those 3, okay? Then you're going to do G minor, all right? So the simplest way, this is a bar chord, but actually you can just play I would try and bar it, but if you can't, just play the power chord. So you're going to do big E string on the 3rd fret, and then you're going to do the 5th fret on both of the A and D strings, okay? And you should be barring if you can, but if you can, it's okay, because that way you can do the whole thing, okay? And then next you're going to do A. You will also do B minor, but you're only going to do B minor in the chorus, okay? All right, so those are the chords you're going to use. So here's how the song goes. So when you start, you're going to do D. You're going to do, sorry. I watched you through your window. So window is where you do D major 7. Window, I was wearing that dumb sweatshirt. Okay, so sweatshirt is D7. Sweatshirt, I looked like a goon. So goon is G, that's easy to remember. Goon. And then you're gonna do G minor, okay? I was dressed for winter. And then you're gonna do A on even. Even though it was the middle of June. So June, you're gonna do D major 7. Okay, and then you go back to D for the like 2nd half of the 1st verse. All right. I watched you get undressed. So dressed is where you're gonna do D major 7. Dressed, I must have turned bright red. So bright is D7. Bright red, cause I couldn't stand to face you. So face is G. Face you, and then you're gonna do G minor, okay? Cause I liked what I saw, and maybe, so maybe is A. Maybe we should just stay friends. Okay, and friends, I'm using the top one, you don't have to, but it's just easier for me to hold it this way. Friends. Okay, so friends is going to be D major 7. Now, the strumming pattern for the chorus is different, because the verses you're just doing like single strums. Okay. That's how you do for the verses, okay? Now the chorus, you're going to start with G. And the strumming pattern is going to be different. So you're going to do, tell me how you feel about me. Do you like it like me? Okay, so you're going to do G, down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so just down, down, up, 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 down. Just like that, okay? Now you're gonna do that for the first like couple lines. So you're just gonna do G, D major 7, G, D major 7. Then once you do just, okay, so that's part you're gonna just do down strums. You're gonna do, and you're gonna do G, A. Okay, so you do just say. So say is A. Say. You don't have to mute it, but I do. Say you do. So do, you're gonna do D major 7, B minor, and then D major 7. So it's gonna sound like this. Just say you do. Okay, then you go into the next verse and you just start doing. Just like that. Okay, you're gonna go to the next one. So that's how you play the whole song. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.